Hello YouTube stackers, this is ST with Silverstacking 101, where we always believe in staying stacked and packed. Stacked with silver, gold, food, ammo, and packed with the means necessary to defend our stack. In this video, we are going to talk about Chapter 8 of my new book, Wealth Traits, How Successful Investors Think. Chapter 8 deals with the topic of invest rather than trade. Pop culture bestows the image of most investors constantly buying and selling assets. Granted, most investors do consistently purchase assets, but they are reluctant to sell the assets. Very rarely, although not unheard of, they will buy something for short-term gain. More often than not, they buy assets for the long term. There are three primary reasons for this. The first is risk. The market, any market, whether we talk about securities, metals, real estate, the debt market, is subject to sudden and unexplainable declines in the overall prices. Sometimes it's perfectly explainable. But consider if an investor bought a security and the market tanks for whatever reason. Say some guys flew a plane in a building again, and the investor bought the security for a short-term gain. More often than not, that security will lack the desirable attributes to be held long-term. So it turns into something the investor is married to, and the only way out, like a bad marriage, is to take a large financial hit or wait for the sweet release of death. The second reason investors typically are not active traders is the let winners run strategy. When an investor buys an asset, it's because the investor believes in that asset and believes in the future potential. Minor setbacks caused by the market is not typically viewed as a cause for panic. Sometimes it's even viewed as an opportunity to acquire more. We just saw silver in the $14 range. There was no apparent reason for that low price, so it created opportunity to buy more silver for our dollar. We didn't turn around and sell silver, or at least I hope you guys didn't turn around and sell silver in the $14 range. There was no reason for it to be that low, so it created opportunity. Same thing with other investments. When investments go down in value for no good reason, it's not a cause for concern. It's a cause maybe to accumulate more, provided the reasons that were initially present for accumulating the asset and acquiring the asset in the first place remain in place. And that's very important. Not that something came out and suddenly the asset became fundamentally flawed. Of course, we don't want to buy no more of it. The third reason investors are reluctant to sell assets is doing so for a gain turns a paper gain into a taxable gain. As long as the value of the asset's increasing, but it's not realized by a sale, it's tax-free until it's actually sold. We don't have a value-added tax for accumulation of value of various assets. So it allows assets to grow tax-deferred. Short-term strategies can work with certain assets bought for that reason, but it's very rare. We see on day traders 90-something% lose money. Why? Because they may make money consistently until the first setback of the market, and it throws them back below where they started from. Investing is a long-term business, not a short-term cheap thrill. If you want to purchase a copy of the book in electronic format, and I'm only mentioning this on Wealth Traits videos, not pumping my book on my other videos. Go to my channel homepage. Go to the right hand side of the screen. You'll see donate now. Donate $5. You're not donating, you're purchasing a book. $5. Then email me at stsilverstacker@gmail.com and let me know the address you donated from and the address you want the PDF sent. Within 24 hours, hopefully well within 24 hours, you will have a copy of this book. A printed book is going to be on the way, but I'm in no hurry to get it out there. Guys, let me know what you think. Do you agree or disagree? Let me know what you think and why you think it. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And remember, stay stacked and packed because we are going to need it one day.